Hey food lovers! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we explore the wonders of the culinary world. Today, let's dive into something sweet and oh so beneficial. We're going to uncover the secrets of a golden treasure that's been cherished for centuries. We're talking about honey, nature's liquid gold. This sweet nectar has been a staple in diets and medicine cabinets for thousands of years. But what makes honey the most natural superfood? Stick around to find out. You might be surprised by all the incredible benefits packed into this golden syrup. First off, did you know honey never spoils? That's right, it has an indefinite shelf life. Yep, archaeologists found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still edible. Imagine tasting something that ancient. Now that's some serious shelf life. This longevity is due to honey's unique chemical composition. This is because honey has low moisture content and is naturally acidic, which makes it a hostile environment for bacteria and microorganisms. It's like nature's own preservative. Now let's talk health benefits. Honey isn't just a sweet treat, it's a powerhouse of nutrients. Honey is packed with antioxidants. These are compounds that help protect your cells from damage. These little warriors help fight off free radicals in your body, reducing the risk of heart disease and even boosting your immune system. It's like having a tiny army inside you, fighting off the bad guys. A spoonful of honey a day keeps the doctor away, right? Well, it might not be that simple, but it certainly helps. And if you've got a sweet tooth but want to keep things healthy, honey is your best friend. It's a natural way to satisfy your cravings without the guilt. It's a natural sweetener, which means it has a lower glycemic index than regular sugar. This is great news for those watching their blood sugar levels. That means no crazy blood sugar spikes. But wait, there's more. Honey's benefits extend beyond just being a healthier sweetener. Honey has antibacterial and antifungal properties. This makes it an excellent natural remedy for various ailments. Applying it to wounds or burns can actually help them heal faster. It's like having a natural first aid kit in your pantry. Plus, it's a great natural remedy for sore throats. The soothing properties of honey can provide instant relief. Just mix it with some warm water and lemon and you're good to go. It's a simple yet effective way to feel better. And let's not forget about beauty benefits. Honey is a fantastic moisturizer that can work wonders for your skin. It's rich in natural humectants, which help retain moisture in your skin. Mix it into your face masks or hair treatments, and you'll be glowing in no time. It's like a spa treatment at home. Looking for a natural energy boost? Honey's got you covered. It's a great source of carbohydrates, which provide energy and strength. Perfect for a pre-workout snack or a midday pick-me-up. Athletes often use honey to fuel their performance and recover faster. Oh, and if you're into cooking, honey adds a unique flavor to your dishes. It's versatile and can be used in both sweet and savory recipes. From drizzling it over yogurt to using it in marinades, the possibilities are endless. It's a culinary delight that enhances the taste of any dish. But remember, not all honey is created equal. The quality of honey can vary greatly. Always opt for raw, unprocessed honey to get the maximum benefits. Raw honey retains all the natural enzymes and nutrients. And support local beekeepers whenever you can. It's good for you and the environment. Local honey is often fresher and more sustainable. So there you have it, the amazing benefits of honey. It's a true gift from nature that offers so much more than just sweetness. Whether you're using it for health, beauty, or just to sweeten up your life, honey truly is a natural superfood. Thanks for tuning in. We hope you enjoyed learning about this incredible ingredient. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious content. See you next time. Keep exploring and stay sweet.